Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digitech Keys. So today I will tell you this kind of question, means op-amp based question, how to get the output voltage V0 for this circuit. So let's start doing this one. Before starting, please like and subscribe my channel. So here you can see 1 volt potential is applied here, okay, and 8.9 kilo ohm resistance is there, okay. So no current is flowing. You already know in op amp no current is flowing inside the terminals, okay. No current is flowing here, no current. So the current across 8.9 ohm resistance is 0, 8.9 ohm. So potential at Vp at this point will be 1 volt, okay. So no current is flowing into the non-inverting terminal, so no current is flowing in 8.9 kilo ohm resistance. Therefore there is no current, voltage drop across 8.9 kilo ohm resistance. So Vp will be 1 volt, okay. Vp will be 1 volt, and due to virtual ground Vp is equals to V1, so this will also become 1 volt. Vp is equals to Vm, and this will again become 1 volt, okay. So at 8.9 kilo ohm resistance there is no current. So now you know the potential at Vn, okay. If you want to apply a non-inverting amplifier formula, so you can apply for that one. But if you sometimes get confused, or if you are not very good at learning the means memorizing the formula, so it's better in op-amp you always apply the nodal analysis. Don't, irrespective of the current direction, you just take any formula, means either outgoing currents are summation of all the outgoing current is 0, or summation of all the incoming current at any node is 0, okay. So I always follow these rules, and I found it that I never get a wrong answers, okay. So I suggest you to also. So again, although the current here is showing inside, if is also showing inside, but I am since I am following the same procedure, that for any node all the currents are outgoing. So what I will do, I am considering this current is outgoing, and I am considering this current is outgoing. So I am going to apply a formula, going to do a nodal analysis at node n. So Vn minus 3 volt divided by 10k, Vn minus V0 divided by 80k, okay. So I have written this expression, okay. Vn minus 3 volt divided by 10k, this resistance, and Vn minus V0 divided by 80k, okay. That should be equals to 0. Now put the value of Vn, as we already did. Vp is equals to 1 volt because no current was flowing across 8.9k kilo ohm resistance. So we got it. We will put the value of Vn. So Vn is 1 volt minus 3 divided by 10k, plus Vn is 1 volt minus V0 divided by 80k. So when you solve this one, you will get V0 is equals to minus 15 volt, okay. So you can easily do such kind of questions. Don't get confused with a lot of batteries, means voltage, and with the resistances. Just follow the nodal analysis. Always each node you can follow the nodal analysis, and you can do such kind of things. Only two things you need to consider, that no current is flowing inside the op-amp, and virtual ground. Due to virtual ground, the potential at both the current non-inverting, both the terminal, non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal will be same, okay. So if you know these two things, and you know how to apply the nodal analysis, then you can easily do op-amp questions, although there are too many resistances and batteries are there. So this is the answer. V0 is equals to minus 15 volt. I hope you got it. So guys, if you able to understand, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.